Safron asalna. Aja ek post vachila, Baba Iris Rodriguez that the silence of the governor of Goa is deafening one. तसेच आणि पोस्ट वाचले आहे that the Goa government is directly, overtly or covertly is slow on the matter of Mhadei, and maybe due to some reason by which the matter may not be presented in a proper manner to get actually proper justice by the lawyers representing the case of Mhadei could be very dangerous. Because as I understand, winning a matter in the court does not always mean justice has been done. Winning a matter is a case of an intellectual lawyer who want to put his efforts intellectually. That depends upon also maybe on the amount of bags of loads of money that he may be getting also. So let me come to the illegal structure at Old Goa now. Because to know the future, scientifically based, some statistics is needed. Now I can join the dots between the illegal structure at Old Goa and similar the other structures like Silisols to Mhadei River now. They first tried their thermometer, tried and tested in these 1-2 cases. And then Tsoila Goika record on that. For example, in case of illegal bungalow at Old Goa, the political class painted that illegal bungalow in a saffron color. And the Pramod Bab's government did not make the type of effort they are trying to make in case of Mhadei today. He did not fly from Goa to Delhi even once to ask about being justice done with respect to that illegal structure at Old Goa. Every time he says it is sub judice matter. Mhadei also is a sub judice matter. But we are talking on the present. We are talking also about justice delayed is justice denied. Mhadei River cannot be painted saffron, Pramod Bab. It cannot be painted white. It cannot be painted green. Mhadei River is a flowing river. It's blue. तुम्ही कडे जायते engineering केला आसतले in certain matters like Silisols or illegal structure. But this engineering may fall short in case of Mhadei. So, एक request आत the illegal structure at time, not even a minuscule people had come out openly to say what is wrong, because Tinga, y'all engineered and y'all succeeded in making that issue that it is a minority community issue. It is not clearly. Zaitezan Maka, who are sitting on the other side of the fence, they mutai Igor kitkotali, Vishnu Sahib kitkotali, Padri kitkotali itute. Why? That property does not belong to the church. What we are fighting is the illegal structure. One, not only because it is illegal, secondly it is because this illegal structure has come in the protected area by the ASI. And when we are looking at the same type of things in case of Mhadei, little similar I would say, that UNESCO site, environment, yes, in the protected area also it talks about environment. In the protected site also we talk about ASI. So where were the stalwarts who want to come out today for Mhadei, and why was their silence deafening in case of that illegal structure at Old Goa? There is a saying, first they went for the Russians and then the Americans and the Indians. First they went for the Karnataka, then Maharashtra and then Jharkhand, and now they have come to Goa. First they came to South and now they went to North. First they came to the illegal structure at Old Goa, then they went to Silisols, and now they have come to Mhadei. Simple. That is because they thought that the litmus test has worked. So we all need to come together for this. We like younger brothers of North Goa, we can call ourselves elder brothers in terms of maybe protests and agitations. We went all the way to Sankli to show our full support. Never considered it belongs to North, the issue belongs to North. In large numbers, maybe more than 70% of the people went from South Goa to support them because they are our brothers. But when will this better sense prevail? When there is a trouble in South Goa, when are we going to work together as one for this Mankulya going? Because if we let this precedent to continue of the destruction of our environment, illegal structures in the protected area today, it will send a wrong precedent for all of us. And tomorrow they will come to your neck also. Today we are there to speak. Tomorrow there will be nobody to speak for you. So you cannot regret that nobody came to support you. Today when you have life in you, do come. We have life in us, we are coming. And long after we are gone, when you look back, there will be nobody left. Today we can say, when I look back, you people were there and never came. But when you look back, you cannot even regret saying that nobody came. By that time, the whole engineering process will get over. So let us keep this thing in mind. And on top priority, of course, we can wait for a while. On top priority, we look at Mhadei. Look at the way the Karnataka government has hopped. They have catapulted in putting the application for the permission for EC clearance. Kitule fast. And Amge government is to be seen to be going slow, like a tortoise. There are two techniques can be used when the government does not have the will to get justice actually done. One, to go slow on the matter, adjourn the matter time and again, let the matter be like disgusting, and then slowly lose that fire, the steam, and find a loophole and win the battle technically in the courts. Adjourn 5 times, saying that their lawyer is not come, and the day when our lawyer is not come, give the matter as given as so moto. Delete. In the absence of the lawyer, we declare that this bungalow is legal. Ebashikit koru sottai. And second technique that may be used by this government is put some lawyers who may be not having the enough material, or in spite of having the material, they may not be presenting the case in such a way that they can get that bungalow demolished. And finally say that the court has decided. That does not mean, winning a matter in the court does not mean justice has been done. Even a bad case can be won, and a good case can be lost. It all depends upon the will of the person who want to do it. That could depend upon how many bags of money is being given also. So this same case, I don't want it to happen in case of Mhadei. Let us have very good lawyers who can fight the case. Let us not be slow in taking actions. Let us be quick. And this is the way we can then say, yes, justice has been done. So, आमातना देवाकडे हे आमच्या मानकुल्यान गोंय सांबाळया आनी सगळ्या गोंयकारांक उलो मारता. जे जे टायमार आमचेर असली परिस्थिती येता आमी सगळे एक जावपाची गरज आसा. Let us keep our differences aside in case if there are some differences. We are jumping over a lot of differences. We always come out in support of each one of all of you. Dev Bore Guru, thank you very much.